Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable Cloudflare cache rules for a Softr site, complete guide step by step clearly. To disable Cloudflare cache rules for your Softr site, start by logging into your Cloudflare account. Once logged in, locate the domain associated with your Softr site in the dashboard. Click on the domain name to access its settings. In the left-hand sidebar, navigate to the caching section. Within the caching section, look for the Cache Rules option and click on it. You will see a list of existing cache rules that apply to your site. Identify the cache rule you wish to disable. Next to the desired cache rule, click on the Edit icon. In the editing interface, look for the option to disable or delete the rule. Select Disable to turn off the rule. If you prefer to delete it entirely, choose the option to remove the rule instead. Confirm your action if prompted to ensure the changes are applied. Once you've made the adjustments, return to the caching section. Review the list of cache rules to verify that your changes are reflected. Now, navigate to your Softr site to test the functionality. Check to ensure that the cache is no longer affecting the site as intended. If you experience issues, consider clearing the cache in Cloudflare. You can do this by returning to the caching section and selecting Purge Everything. After purging, revisit your Softr site to confirm With these steps completed, you should have successfully disabled the Cloudflare cache rules for your Softr site. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.